Welcome to 4th Hour Science. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. I hope you enjoyed your weekend and that you got your school packets in the mail on Saturday or today. In science, we will be talking about the Earth for at least the next week. We have big Earth Day packets, and we will do 2 to 3 worksheets per day until we are done. On every page in the upper right-hand corner is a box that you can put an X in when you have completed it. If you would like to complete the maze on the front page, you can do so. On the next page, there is a picture of the Earth for you to color according to the color. On this picture, this is our basic assignment for today. You do have a different little assignment right here that you need to circle the two that are alike. On the bottom has to do with your letter E. We are not going to do this so that we do not confuse you with the letters that you're working on in reading and writing. So this right here, you will see that on the inside here, this is the Earth, okay? And on the inside here, we have continents. We've got one here, 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 and here. There should be 7 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A couple of them are very small. You will be coloring the continents, the color that it has in the box. For example, the continents are green. We have a couple of areas that are pink, and then all this area around here will be blue. That is the water. On the outside here, you have yellow stars that you will color. There's a few little ones there that do not have the number, the word in them, but you can color them also. Okay, so what did you notice as you colored your paper? Did you notice possibly that there is more blue in our Earth? That would be correct. The green represents land and the blue represents water. That is the oceans that you colored blue. Did you know that the Earth is made up of more water than land? The Earth is made up of 71% water and 29% land. I drew an example here. If we have 4 quarters, which makes 1 whole, I broke this down. So 71% is to this line right here. All of this is water. And this part right here, this is land. I bet you didn't know that. Stars are made of a very hot gas. The sun is our nearest star, and it is so hot. The gases that are around it are hydrogen and helium. Okay, and the next wobbly circle around this is the night sky. It is colored black, and it is a night sky. And the outside here is the sky. So we would color it blue. Right down here and all around here. Did you know that stars are made of hot gases like the sun? Stars provide light for us at night. Lastly, inside of your square or your earth is this piece right here that looks like a mouth. That is what we call our ozone layer. This area is what we call the ozone or the ozone layer. The ozone protects us from the ultraviolet rays from the sun. If we didn't have that ozone protection, we could not live here. It would be too hot. Nothing could live on Earth. It protects us from the ultraviolet rays. Otherwise, it would be too hot for anything to live on Earth. Pollution can hurt the ozone layer from all of the gases and chemicals humans use in their daily lives. Cars put out a lot of pollution, and imagine in the cities how many cars are on the road every day. Factories put out a lot of gases that can hurt the earth also. On the right side of your paper, never mind, I was going to talk about the matching the two people. Okay, so that is your main assignment, to color the earth. Remember that this is the ozone layer. Humans hurt it by all of the gases and pollution we create or put out in the earth. And then we have a big maze. I know you guys like mazes. This one looks a little bit hard. What you are doing is you will start with the farmer right down here taking his crops to sale. On the way, he passes the shopping barge. He passes the Mega Mart. And he needs to make it to the market. Let's see if you can do that. Okay, I'm just about done. I'd like to remind you to water your plants. I have not watered mine this morning. It's pretty early. I will do it when I get done with my video here. I'm going to remind you to watch your videos first and then do your assignments. Have you been watching the moon? Tonight, 89% of the moon will be showing, will be visible. It's going to begin to look like an oblong moon, almost a full moon. Tuesday, it will be 95% visible. Wednesday, 99% visible. 100% makes it complete, makes it full. So on Thursday, we can see a full moon by 6:45 in the morning. There will be a full moon. Notice how light the moon becomes and how light it is outside when there is a full moon. Later in May, we will have a new moon that we cannot see, and it will be very dark. That is the darkest phase of the moon, is a new moon. So this concludes our lesson for today. I hope that you enjoy doing your science work and learning about the earth. I do have a little blurb to read you about Earth Day. Earth Day is an annual event celebrated on April 22nd worldwide. Various events are held to demonstrate support for environmental protection. That is, to protect the air around us. It was first celebrated in 1970. Earth Day events in more than 193 countries are now coordinated globally by the Earth Day Network. The idea for a national day to focus on the environment came to Earth Day founder Gaylord Nelson, a United States Senator from Wisconsin. The day was meant to inspire people to preserve and protect what Mother Earth has given us. We only have one Earth, so we have to take care of her, said the senator, the founder of Earth Day. Our children are the future. That's you. You are the future of this earth, and your children will be also. And the fate of this planet is not only in our hands, but it is also in your hands. Our hands, your hands, everyone's hands, to do what we can to protect our earth. Even though Earth Day is only one day a year, saving our planet is a lifelong endeavor. Earth Day teaches students how important it is to protect our planet and that one person can really make a difference. Enjoy your day.